In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an epic in Jira, specifically within Jira software. Whether you're using the cloud version or something similar, this guide is designed to make the process straightforward and manageable. Let's jump in and get started. First and foremost, check to ensure your project is using the epic issue type. If you don't see epic listed among your issue types, you'll need to add it. To do this, head over to the project settings and navigate to issue types. A quick update there will have you ready to move on to the next steps. Now, when it comes to actually creating an epic, there are several options available to you. One straightforward method is through the global Create button. You'll typically find this button at the top of the Jira user interface. Click it, select your desired project, and then choose Epic in the issue type field. Another handy option is utilizing the backlog view, specifically the Epics panel. You'll first need to navigate to the backlog of your board. If you don't immediately see the Epics panel, ensure it's turned on in the board settings. Once visible, simply click on Create Epic within that panel. For those who prefer using the roadmap or timeline view, creating an epic is equally simple. Provided your project has this feature enabled, just click on plus Create Epic or something similar within the roadmap interface, and you're ready to proceed. After you've chosen your preferred creation method, it's time to fill out the epic fields. Start with the epic name. It's best to keep this short yet descriptive since it's often used as a label in various panels. Follow up with a summary or description detailing what your epic is about, offering clarity for anyone reviewing your project. In addition to the basics, you have the option to set other details like start date, due date, priority, labels, and more, depending on your specific configuration. This allows for better organization and visibility across your team. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, go ahead and save or create the epic. Your new epic will now be visible in the backlog, under the Epics panel. If your project uses a roadmap or timeline view, it will also appear there. Finally, you'll want to add issues, such as stories, tasks, or bugs, under your newly created epic. When creating new issues, you'll typically find a field labeled Epic Link or Parent Epic, where you can specify which epic the issue belongs to. Alternatively, from the backlog or timeline, you can often add these issues directly under the epic using options like Create Issue in Epic or Add a Child Issue. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on creating an epic in Jira. With these steps, managing your projects should be a more cohesive and organized experience. Thanks for following along, and happy project managing.